Hey gang, Alfred Einstein here, Pockets of Specialized Knowledge. Welcome to my real estate channel. Today's video, 5 tips to revive a fading real estate career. Let's face it, agents, it's tough out there. Brokers, you may be losing some agents now and again, right? Well, this video, if you can implement 1, 2, or all 5 of the tips, I think it could help revive some of the agents that are struggling and some of the brokerages that might be having a hard time. So let's go to my next slide. Quit waiting for clients to call you. This is a big mistake. I was a real estate broker back in the day. I had 4 offices, 250 associates, but there was no social media. The only clients that called us were people that were responding to advertisements that we placed either in real estate magazines or in the newspaper. So I think those clients are different than today's clients. However, back in the day when I had to place an ad in the newspaper to generate calls, those were closer to prospective buyers. And I wouldn't suggest that we built our practice or our office success on that. But in today's market, I think you need to stop waiting for clients to call you and build a business that you can reach out to clients whenever you want. Learn how to invest in real estate. This is, although I have 5 tips, this is the number one thing. Brokers, have you thought about this? Just give it a second. Teach your real estate agents how to become real estate investors. Now, some of you might be thinking that you might be losing your best agents to becoming real estate investors. Now, I'm going to agree that a real estate investor is going to make more money than the average real estate agent. But having agents in your office that are experienced investors are going to tie them to you for a long time if you do this right. And the more you can teach them, the better off they're going to be, the more money they're going to make, and the more likely they're going to be to refer your office and your brokerage to someone else that's new. Because you can break them in the business and they can start making money in the first 30 days. And it doesn't rely on calling all your neighbors and your relatives and letting them know that you have your real estate license now. I bet that's going to be a call that they're looking forward to, right? Tip number 2, build a buyer's list. Teach your agents how to build a buyer's list. This way, when they come across properties for sale, they can call someone and get that thing under contract right away. Also, while you're building your buyer's list, you're going to find out properties that your buyers like. You're going to interview them. You're going to speak to them about their real estate needs and their interests. So what that's going to do is that's going to promote more sales within your office. So, tip number 2, build a buyer's list. Teach your agents how to build a buyer's list. Build a list of local money lenders. This is a very simple search. It can be done in the official public records in whatever county that you live in. It's a simple task. I can show you how to do it. We have plenty of videos. There's plenty of free videos on YouTube that'll show you how to build a local money lender list. And the reason you want local is because they're less likely to try to take advantage of you. They're going to know the market that you're in. They're going to feel more comfortable with you being in the local market together. So I think that build a local list of money lenders is a very important feature that you have to know what to do. And lastly, become a niche agent. Become an agent that specializes in something. Now, I wouldn't suggest that in today's market you become a condo specialist, because I don't think that they have much more time to go. But you can build a specialty in buyers, in sellers, in specific neighborhoods, in a specific farm area. You can deal with people in default for pre-tax deed sales or pre-foreclosure sales. Those are a couple of my favorites. But become a niche agent where people are going to have to contact you, or they're going to want to contact you for your expertise in this specific instance. This is my contact information. For more information about me, go to my website, POFSK. There's my email and my phone number. And please subscribe to the channel. It helps me make more videos and it keeps me moving in the right direction. Hopefully this 5 tips video will get you moving in the right direction as well. In any event, see you next time.